The One UI 9 update is expected to be Samsung's next major software upgrade based on Android 17, focusing mainly on smarter AI tools, improved performance, and refined user interface elements rather than a complete visual redesign. Early leaks suggest the update will introduce enhanced Galaxy AI features, better multitasking support across different screen sizes, including foldables and tablets, and stronger privacy protections, such as more controlled contact permissions. It is also expected to include subtle design tweaks like thicker brightness and volume sliders, improved lock-screen media controls, and smoother animations to make the system feel faster and more responsive. Overall, One UI 9 is shaping up to be a refinement-focused update designed to polish the daily user experience while adding modern Android capabilities. The release date is widely expected between July and August 2026, likely launching first on new flagship devices, such as upcoming foldables, with a broader rollout to other Galaxy phones continuing from September through late 2026.